guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and I'm super excited, like I am every time. I didn't know what it was, so I opened the box, but I haven't actually opened what's inside. And it is, this has been sent to me in PR by a beauty expert, and it was actually sent before Christmas and it got lost, but it arrived yesterday. So we're gonna open it. And it is, let me get it right, it is the Beauty Expert Collection Icons Edition. So this is £79, but it's worth 170, and they currently have 20% off. So let me just work it out in my little brain. So if it was £80, 10% would be £8, 20% would be £16. So about £15 off, which is amazeballs. So yeah, comes like this, in a very nice makeup bag, quite a big one. Let's just get in. Ooh. Ooh, I'm very excited about this. I've got the link that they sent it to me to look on the website so I can see the price, but I've not looked at what is in it because I like to be surprised. So the first thing is Elizabeth Arden, and it is 8-hour cream all over miracle oil. Oh, never had anything from Elizabeth Arden before. I feel all fancy pants. Let's get it open. Open. Ooh, what does it say? A potent blend of moisturising ingredients including Tsubaki oil combined to deliver intensive all over moisture for face, body and hair, clinically proven to moisturise for up to 12 hours. After cleansing and showering, rub desired amount and pat onto face and neck, massage over body and smooth through hair, working from ends to roots. Let's have a little look at this. I got lipstick on my teeth. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, it's fancy pants, it's fancy pants. How fancy pants is that? Let's have a little, oh, is it a spray? Oh, I appreciate a spray, definitely. It's quite yellow. It's not got a strong smell at all. I was expecting it to be really fragrant for some reason, but it's not at all. There is something, it just smells expensive, if that makes sense. It doesn't smell like, there isn't a smell in that you could go, oh, I know what that's like lavender, that's patchouli, that's rose, that's not, there's something, but I don't know what it is, but it's nothing unpleasant at all. It's very subtle. So that's super exciting, the first one. Let's just go down and have a little look and see. I will put on the screen how much each of these, in the size that they are, is worth. So the next thing I've got is Molten Brown Ginger Lily Body Wash. I love Molten Brown. This is 100ml. Let's have a little snifter review. Ooh. What is that? Ah, there's different ones you get. There's Heavenly Ginger Lily. No. Yeah, Heavenly Ginger Lily, Brown Jasmine and Sunrose, Suma Ginseng, Rhubarb and Rose. So I'm very happy I've got this one because I hate rose. And this is ginger. So that's lovely. It's not a strong smell of ginger. It's just, again, it's a nice smell. It's not overpowering at all. I'm currently using one of their bubble baths and I absolutely love it. So yeah, that always makes you feel fancy pants. A bit of Molten and Brown. Oh, Photography Fluid Opacity 12% Highlighting System. What are you? What is this? I don't even know what the brand is. NIOD? NIOD? It is such cool packaging. Like, that is so smart. What are you? Photography Fluid Opacity 12%. I don't know what that is. Let's get it open, and I don't know how to open it. What is it? Oh, how fancy is this? Look. Oh my goodness. What do you even do? An advanced colourless priming fluid that uses next generation nanoprismatic particles to refract light and balance out undesired hues, contains technologies to make skin appear better, specifically in photographs. Apply instead of or under liquid foundation to balance out undesired skin tones. This sounds amazing. Oh, it's like, it's white, look. Oh, look. What does it do? Oh, it's like shimmery. Again, no smell whatsoever. You can't really see it on there. I'm going to do a video on this, I think, because that is so cool. I don't understand what it is. It says non-sterile. I don't know what that means. I don't know. But it's very exciting and the box is amazing. So that is very cool. So I'm going to try and do a video on that, I think, because I've never seen that before ever, and that intrigues me a lot. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. Oh, his little book. Probably should have opened that first, idiot.
As the year draws to a close, beauty expert, because it's meant to be sent before Christmas, it draws to a close, we're going to finish with a bang. In the last of its kind bag collection, you find 6 of the most iconic, luxurious and indulgent beauty products. All cult favourites and guaranteed to take your beauty routine to the next level. So let's just have a look.
So the NIOD, non-invasive options in dermal science, that's what it stands for, serum is specifically formulated with a wide array of technologies to minimise imperfections and leave the skin with a noticeably more even tone. Oil-free hydration, bio-sugar complex to offer comfortable, long-lasting hydration that is suitable for even the oiliest skin. Well, I'm very intrigued with that, so yes. Right, next. A Babor Skinavage Sensationalize Reactivating Eye Cream. Oh, I need some of this to get rid of my wrinkles. Does it get rid of wrinkles? Smooth textured multiple action eye cream to firm skin tissue and minimise the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. We like that. Let's have a look. Where are you? Let's get it out of its little plastic prison. Get out of your plastic. So, fortified with shea butter and macadamia nut oil, this fast absorbing eye cream delivers intense moisture and hydration to the under eye area to reveal smoother, more supple skin underneath. Apply a small amount around the eye morning and night after cleansing to see visibly reduced signs of wrinkles, dark circles, fine lines and crow's feet. Ooh. I'm all about skincare. Skincare is like my favourite. Get out of the box. Oh, you know it's fancy. It comes with a little spatula. That means you know it's super fancy. It's a really nice frosted glass jar. Ooh. And it's sealed with a little foil. This is a teeny weeny jar. Ooh. Right, I'm not gonna waste that. I'm gonna use what's on here and just rub it on my hand and see what it's like. No smell. No smell whatsoever. No smell. I have to keep just like double checking myself. That feels really nice. That's just gone in really nicely. Obviously it's not going to go in. Oh, I'm excited to put it on my face. It feels really nice on my hand. So it's going to feel beautiful on my face. What's next? Nukes Ultra Comforting Face Balm intensely soothes, nourishes and repairs with honey, propolis and precious oils. 92.7% natural ingredients. Ooh, have a little look. Particularly beneficial for those with very dry skin, suitable for use by all. The Nukes Face Balm is, I'm saying Nukes, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I did Google it a while ago because I was like, I kept saying Nux and I knew that wasn't right. Sumptuous butter-like texture, non-greasy feel, honey, mimosa and acacia. Containing over 300 molecules with antioxidants, repairing properties and infused with honey, shea butter and a wide range of botanical oils. Massage onto the face and neck to see fine lines and wrinkles diminish. Yes, please. Oh, look. Oh, that smells good. It's just like a really thick body butter. I'm being summoned by a child. Wait there. Sorry, my other half is upstairs washing the baby in the bath and he didn't know what to wash him with. So this is, what do you smell of? I feel like one of them's gonna have a really strong scent. It smells, but again, it's not overly powerful. It's not a horrible smell. So you could definitely put that on your face and it wouldn't bother me. So yeah, that's a comforting face balm. I'd be a little bit worried to put it on my face just because I'm not the biggest fan of oils on my face, but I'll give it a go, and if I don't like it, I'll give it to my mum because she's got very dry skin. So she would definitely benefit from that. So that's that one. And then the last item is Eve Lom, and it is a cleanser. Ooh, cleanser cream. Eve Lom cleansing is the most important part of skincare. The Eve Lom cleanser contains a unique blend of 4 aromatic oils with cleansing, decongesting and soothing properties. The woven muslin cloth is used with this cleanser to improve circulation, open pores, cleanse exfoliate and tone in minutes. Apply the cleanser to the face using circular motions. Dip the muslin cloth in hot water and wring out. Press onto the face and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Rinse the cloth in warm water and remove all traces of makeup and cleanser. Ooh, and then you do cold water and put it on your face to close the pores. I'm excited. I just want to check to make sure it's not like rose. Let's have a look. Where's the little book? Ba, ba, ba. What's it got? Eucalyptus oil to drain toxins, hops oil to tone, chamomile and cocoa butter to smooth and soften. I'm very excited about this. Let's have a little look. Get out. Why is everything in plastic? Stop putting plastic on everything. Stop it. Get out of the box. Ooh. Oh, this is so cool. Get a little cloth, which is also in plastic, which does not need to be in plastic. Ooh. Oh, that smells amazing. This is solid. Ooh. I'm totally using that tonight to take my makeup off. That is happening. And then yeah, you've got a cloth cleanser, a cloth to cleanse it off with as well. But like if you didn't have one of these, you could just use a flannel. I should imagine it'd be fine. Oh, it's very soft. Nice big cleansing cloth. That is lovely. I'm very excited to use that. Oh, I think that's my favourite thing, the cleanser. I love a cleanser. Love me a cleanser. Get back in the box. Get back in the box. I think that was awesome. So we've got body wash, all over oil, face stuff that is just very intriguing that I don't really understand what it does. The face balm, rescuing balm, comforting balm, the eye cream, and then a cleanser. I think that's amazing. So £79 full price, 20% off until the 31st of January. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. And it is worth £170. I'll put on the screen how much everything is individually, and if I can find everything individually, I'll link those as well for you guys. But yeah, thank you to Beauty Expert for sending me this little box of loveliness. It's very exciting. If you guys like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel, so we can be friends. That would be awesome. I'm trying to get, my goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers. Whether it will happen or not, I do not know, but if it does, I'll be doing a fucking huge giveaway because I like to say thank you to everybody. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you very soon and take care. Bye guys.